Hi guys, this is Mansi, your mentor at Bright Tutee. Bright Tutee provides you with comprehensive video lectures, textbook solutions, practice assignments, and an exam preparation kit. So there's already a lot to do, right? We aid the students of classes 9th and 10th to become a top-notch academic performer. And that is the reason that we are here today to provide you another strategy for achieving that milestone of 100%. So now the question is, what, where, when and how? So let's grab a few details about the same quickly. So guys, the most difficult part about learning is retaining whatever we have already studied, right? I know it's really very difficult guys. With ample of syllabus and so stiff schedule, we often find it difficult to even find time for whatever we have already studied. That means no revision. That's very bad. How can we do that? To ace your preparations of those exams, we are here to provide you the live sessions for the same. Now, how will you attend those live sessions? All you have to do is log into our YouTube channel and stream into the live video session on air from 19th of August. The teachers at Bright Tutee would be performing live sessions over YouTube that would be carrying a synopsis of the chapter along with question and answers, and the most important part, your doubts from the chapter. Your doubts from the chapter would be cleared within a moment. The students of class 9th can attend these sessions from 3 to 4 p.m. And for students of classes 10th, the sessions would be conducted in between 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Mark the time on the clock guys, you have to be there. What would be our agenda of these live sessions, right? That must be your question. How will you benefit from those sessions? Now, we have put these sessions on the philosophy of Alice Longsworth. Number 1. Fill what is empty. That means in case you have left any part of the syllabus or any part of a chapter, you can grab a quick synopsis from our live sessions and then study the chapter on your own. Number 2. Empty what is filled. In case you're confident enough about any particular topic or any chapter or the whole syllabus, you can go for a thorough revision with our live sessions. Number 3, and the most important of all, scratch wherever it itches. In case you have even the minutest of doubts from any topic, any part of the chapter, you can quickly clear that doubt on our live session. Why? Because the pettiest part of every chapter is equally important from the point of view of the exam. We don't even want to lose a single mark because of any doubt, right? And that is all what we are here for. Now, in the last and final call, with a blink of an eye, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular updates. Last but not the least, always think like a proton. That means always be positive. See ya! Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.